First you need to go to Google or any other web browser, then search for ChatGPT and then click like this. After that, an interface like this will appear. Click here or here and then log in with your email. This is ChatGPT. You can see examples, capabilities and limitations about what can be done in ChatGPT, as well as we can change dark mode, light mode. Let's see how this works. First ask a small question and see if the answer is 10 plus 20. Yes, we can see that he has given the correct answer. Let's see another question. What are the digital economy trends these days? Impressive. Now let's see something important to us in life. Birthday celebrating ideas. Let's see. Wow. Now let's focus a little on programming field and see write a Python code for calculator. Now you have a rough idea what are the benefits of this ChatGPT. The reason is that you know about coding. An average person can finish something that takes hours of effort in just 1 minute. Let's look at education and writing. If we have to write assignment, literature review, etc., or if we want to do creative writing, SEO writing, if we want to write a blog, let's see how ChatGPT can help. Let's see this example. Write the blog article with 1,500 words under the topic of electricity. If I want a summary of this I type, can you make this shorter paragraph on electricity transmission? If you want to start a YouTube channel, here it is. think those are the best tips? Now you understand what Chat GPT means. If you are hoping to do something new for your education, business or anything else, this will definitely be a good tool. This is the future.